After login, from the menu click on the Calendar tab. And then simply hit on the Add New Event button. Here you can add the name of the event, for example Business Promotion Project, and then enter the name of the contact person for your event. Next you have to enter the start and end date and time for your event. Simply select the date, time and duration in both the slots. Here you have to type in the place where your event is supposed to be held, and then punch in the category of your event. Here for example we have taken meeting. If you tick this all-day checkbox, it will mean you can attend this event anytime during the very day, and your start and end area will accordingly change. Uncheck if not needed. Here you can enter the person going for the meeting. It's not necessary that the person creating the entry is the person attending the event. It can be your boss, your colleague, etc. You can add the same event in your colleague's calendar, and reserve the date, which will be reflected in this calendar as well, and you can also add multiple colleagues into it. Here you can add description or agenda of your event. Click on this icon to get default email ID list of the contact person you have added, or here you can simply type in the email ID to whom you want to send an invitation. You can attach minutes of meetings, which you have created previously. We have a separate tutorial video on minutes of meeting for your reference. Now let's set a reminder for 2 hours before the meeting via email or pop-up, and it will also give a reminder to the participants of this event. You can edit or delete this as well. Finally click on Save button. Congratulations! You have now learned how to add a calendar entry in your EdifyBiz account successfully. Thank you for watching EdifyBiz training video. Keep coming back for more.